Nokia N73 disassembly. You will need the following tools: a dental pick, a Torx plus size 6 screwdriver, metal tweezers, a DC plug, the SS93 opening tool, and the SRT6. Cover the window with a protective film. Unlock and open the slide cover assembly. Cover the camera window with a protective film. Place the SS93 between the key mat and the edge of the A cover, and unlock the button clip first. Hold the SS93 in the shown position, and unlock the side clip with SRT6. Do the same on the other side. Slide the SRT6 along the marked edges to unlock the snaps. Do the same on the other side. Lift the A cover a bit, and unlock its top side from the B cover with the SS93. Remember to protect the inner side of the window with a protective film. Unlock and remove the key mat. Carefully unlock and remove the display shield by using the dental tool. Cover the display with a protective film. Gently lift out the display with the SS93 from the UI frame. And disconnect it from the engine module. Open the front camera connector. Remove the front camera from the UI frame. The camera boot can now be separated from the front camera. Carefully open the UI module connector, taking special care to the surrounding components. Under the screws in the order shown. Remove the screws and discard them. The UI frame is attached with 2 snaps to the B cover. Unlock the UI frame with the SS93. Open the SD door, but do not remove it yet. Lift the UI frame a bit and unsnap the light guide. Now, remove the SD door. Remove the UI frame with the UI module from the B cover. Take special care to the baseband gasket. Open the snap, if it snapped back, and remove the light guide. Place the UI module over the joystick pad, and carefully lever out the module from the UI frame with the SS93. Move the UI module to the primary position, and then remove the UI module by using the SS93 as a support. Gently unlock the baseband gasket as shown, and remove it from the UI frame. Replace the earpiece when necessary. Keep in mind to remove the earpiece adhesive residues before assembling a new earpiece with a new earpiece adhesive. Disconnect the main camera from the engine module. And remove it carefully from its housing. The engine module is snapped to the B cover with 2 snaps. Unlock the engine module with the SS93. And remove it as shown, taking care to all spring contacts. Unlock the antenna module assembly with the SS93. And remove it from the B cover. Lift the IHF speaker from its housing and remove it easily. Gently push down the flash lead from the antenna molding. Remove the gasket IHF housing. Remove the IHF speaker too. Remember to remove whole IHF gasket too, residues. Remove the microphone with the dental pick. Use the DC plug to release the DC jack. The DC jack drops out easily when turning the B cover. The disassembly process